Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Cox internet. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and stop using Cox internet. Maybe you're transferring to a different state and you no longer use it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Cox. Then scroll down, and then where it says cancel services, click on cancel services. Now there's two ways you could actually make changes to your plan. The first way is that you could actually do a live chat, or you could actually chat with them by phone. But based on my experience, you can't actually physically on the internet actually cancel your Cox service unless you actually contact them. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel your Cox internet service. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.